Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for coming back. If you're new to my channel, this is the first time coming across my channel, please consider subscribing to my channel if this is the kind of content you would love to watch. Here I do DIY videos that can help you to grow your hair using natural ingredients. So for our hair growth recipe, we are going to be needing one and only ingredient, which is okra. As you can see here, I have some okra that I'm going to be using to make the treatment. So before I proceed, I'm going to make sure that the okra are clean. So I'm going to transfer them to a bowl and I'm going to wash them. Make sure to wash your okra before using them. Usually okra contains some dust particles if you buy them from your local market. As you can see, mine is really dirty, so I'm just going to wash them 2 times in order to make sure that they are thoroughly clean. After I'm done washing them, I'm going to be cutting them into smaller pieces. Okra is beneficial for our hair and can be used to prevent scalp and hair dryness. If you experience hair dryness and you have flaky scalp, including okra to your hair care routine will help to provide hair softness as well as maintaining moisture on your scalp. So okra contains mucilage, which helps to soften your hair as well as helping to, detangle your hair while helping to maintain moisture balance. So you should consider including okra to your hair care routine if you experience such condition. So when I'm done cutting the okra, now I added them to a pot, and after adding to the pot, I'm going to be adding 2 cups of water, and after that I'm going to cover and transfer to a stove for cooking. Now the okra has already started boiling and the gel has started forming. I'm going to keep stirring for about 5 minutes. You don't need to overcook them because you end up destroying important nutrients. So just 5 minutes will be enough. So I went ahead and removed okra from heat after cooking and allowed them to cool down for some time. Right now I'm going to be straining out the okra gel. Hope you guys are enjoying this video up to this point, and if so, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet subscribed. In this channel I do DIY videos that can help you to grow your hair using natural ingredients. Now this is how the okra gel is looking after straining out. Next I'm going to be putting some in this separate bowl, and after that I'm going to transfer it to an applicator bottle and I'm going to keep it aside for later use. I'm going to go ahead and transfer the okra to a blender, and after that I'm going to be adding the okra gel we kept aside and I'm going to blend them into creamy. After blending, I'm going to go ahead and strain out the gel, and I'm going to be using a wig cap. Just use anything with tiny holes. Use a cheesecloth, a wig cap, or a piece of cloth in order to make sure that your gel is free from germs, because if you don't strain out nicely, then you are going to experience difficulties when trying to detangle your hair. So as you can see, the wig cap doesn't strain out nicely the way I expected, and I'm going to be straining out the second time. I'm going to be using my piece of cloth. This piece of cloth strains out really nicely without leaving any particle. So that's why I was saying that you need to use something with very tiny holes. So if you guys are still watching this video up to this point and yet you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing, and also please consider giving this video a like if you're enjoying it. So after straining out, this is how the treatment looks. Now it's smooth, there is no any particle left. So the next step, we are going to be needing coffee. This is a type of coffee I'm using. It's a soluble coffee. So make sure to use soluble coffee or an instant coffee. So according to my research, I found that coffee is amazing stimulant. It contains caffeine content, which helps to stimulate hair growth as well as helping to increase hair thickness. I have been using coffee several times and I incorporate it to my hair care routine. So if you are looking for something that can help to increase hair thickness as well as darkening your hair and strengthening your hair, then introducing coffee to your hair care routine is going to be a game changer. So right now I'm going to add coffee to the okra paste I kept aside. I'm just going to be adding 2 tablespoons of coffee, and then after adding it, I'm going to take time and mix everything until coffee mixes well with the okra paste. And once I'm done mixing, this is how it's looking like. Right now I'm going to be adding oil of my choice. The first oil I'm going to add is coconut oil. This is my favorite oil I like to use, and I added 1 tablespoon, and the next oil is amla oil. Amla oil is amazing for increasing hair growth, providing hair thickness, as well as providing many benefits for our hair and the scalp. So I'm adding also 1 tablespoon. Just feel free to use any amount of the oil. Now I'm mixing it again until everything mixes completely. So after mixing everything, this is how our treatment is looking like. I did not want it to be thick or thicker than this. This is the consistency I wanted. So after that, I'm going to be transferring it to an applicator bottle. Since this is not so thick, so I'll be using an applicator bottle so I can be able to apply faster to my hair. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if so, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet subscribed. I will see you in the next video.